Welcome back to Asi the Hot. On top of the senior brother for the television station when they inside the world, Wazobia TV on Star Times Channel 195.
You don't welcome them. But I want to before you go that break. Let me make a talk with
allow me to welcome them first now.
They don't say we don't come back. Viewers, we are back. I would they talk on the issue where they talk before we go for that break. Now we won't continue.
How they go take on the issue if I don't remind them of the issue?
I would tell them.
Okay, as you don't
okay, we talk about the declaration of assets, and Chukwu dey insist say make make people wey dey preach change, make them first lead by example before that go follow. And when they make Chukwu understand say no be like that, I don't go accept that one. And moreover, Juwon, she that control room guy, Juwon, you said they want to probe you for going for that break where you go. But meanwhile, what I see the top say, look, Chukwu, my argument be say I not say make anybody don't declare asset, they listen, but no can they restrict them to say because of say political party. Now them they in place, because of say a political party, they preach about change, and for that reason, make them first lead by example. Mr. President, don't come out, don't declare asset. The Vice President, Yemen Shubai, don't come out, they declare asset. Okay, fine. What do you mean? Other governors where they in place, what did they do so far? If really we want a country of change, everybody, no matter where you come from, must follow suit.
But who go start am first? No be the person wey
Mr. President don't start am.
Who could be?
Mr. President don't start am.
Who could be?
If you don't start am,
President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan declaring asset or not, he declare am.
When?
He make am. Wait, he submit Code of Conduct Bureau. He submitting form now.
He declared to Nigerians.
But he no make am public.
What do we talk about?
APC as a political party led by our father, President Muhammadu Buhari don't come and talk say we want to bring change. Now he don't submit his own, just like President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan submit, but he don't take it. He has taken it a step further by making it public. My own argument now say if Rocha Sokorocha and Adam Soshomole, allow me to learn.
If the constitution back up, so what do they talk about?
But as Oga President don't declare own public. Now to set example.
I don't get issue.
Everybody supposed to follow.
Issue with say people not come and declare said. But instead the constitution give approval to that. Beautiful. I go like them. I go like them well. But because of say people they find room to do it to escape, so they don't fit come and declare. Now what is the constitution? The real way constitution don't give them.
If Rocha Sokorocha and Adam Soshomole will be governors of Imo State and Edo State, respectively, APC governors. If they decide say they don't want to declare their assets public, may they not tell us. But to come out, two governors when we say out of all the whole APC governors, people they look up to them. Remember, say they be second-time governors.
There are also other governors they look up to.
They don't want to declare their own. Who could be? APC has more governors in Nigeria today. If APC preaching change,
it is not about the number of governors. It is about
Nigerians must begin to ask questions.
No.
Why President Muhammadu Buhari
about the government or the number of political parties when they dominate the particular state. It's about collective will.
There is no excuse. There is no excuse.
Make them make it permanent. And make every state also they demand for their governors to declare their assets as well.
You must declare your assets open. Where Adam Soshomole did before, not even the chairman of NLC. How many years he don't serve as governor? Now second time in there, if he had really dead clean, make him come and declare assets. Make Nigerians compare, say, okay, before you enter government, see how much you get now. Why in the fear? Why in the fear?
This is your talk.
Why in the fear?
You know hold water.
Who could be? They submit form. They submit form to Code of Conduct Bureau or not. They submit. Just make that form public. Oga President don't come out for news contact say this is how much I have. For the form what he submit, they just make the thing public. Let them make their own public. If you are preaching change, there should be change from the top to the bottom. As Oga President don't start change
from top. There should be change from top to bottom.
So why are they thinking again to change? Why are they thinking again to change?
Just start up. You don't also see a few senators or one or two people.
Why APC governors no one follow? Why APC governors no one follow?
Must it be them?
Shehu Sani no be APC in there. He said he wanted to follow the example of Mr. President.
PDP governors not there.
Did not follow.
PDP governors not there.
The people who preach and may start with that. The people who preach and may start with that. Make everybody see. Who could be? If all the governors of APC declare their assets, Nigerians go fit beat their chest say, oh yeah, make everybody declare their own.
And that's why I don't agree with you. In fact, say, look, make all they restrict the issue of say, make these people make their lead before that flow. This one no about you taking side. It's about everybody coming out to declare. Whether I'm PDP or I'm not APC,
I don't get problem. I don't get problem.
Make a particular.
I don't get problem with Rocha Sokorocha. I don't get problem with Adam Soshomole. If they don't want to declare, make they no declare. But my own be say, as Oga President don't declare, why only Rocha Sokorocha and Adam Soshomole go come out? They use their own mouth. They tell Nigeria say they don't go make their assets public. Why? When Oga President don't do it.
In this same tone where you take talk, where you take these governors, make they go declare. Take that same tone. Tell other political governors.
Thank you very much.
Make them go declare their own. Irrespective of the political party where you come from.
We get 36 governors for Nigeria. But APC na majority. If Comrade Adam Soshomole and Owele Rocha Sokorocha don't already come out when they APC, when the Oga President don't show example, as they don't come and use their own man talk, say they don't go make their own public. How you think things say PDP governors go want do the same thing? When APC governors don't already come and don't kick against them, their body language, they don't show say they don't go make a public.
Not be excuse at all. That will not be excuse at all. As long as you be governor, as long as you say you want to serve your people, and as long as say, okay, you want to bring development to the state where you live, fine. Show that example by coming out to declare.
But why APC governors already don't come and talk to them?
No change this subject. There are other issues to talk about.
If Papa they fly fence, Pikin must fly fence.
There are other issues to talk about.
Pikin must fly fence.
There are other issues to talk about.
You will run away from this issue. But this week we are still going to we go call one governor from this show.
Thank you very much.
And it go be APC governor.
It go be both PDP and APC governor.
Now APC governor.
PDP and APC governor. They will come and tell they will come talk.
I rest my case.
Rest your case.
I rest my case.
Rest your case.
Allow me to rest my case. You know my case.
Listen, I rest my own case.
Don't rest your own somewhere. Let me rest my own somewhere.
I tell Nigerians, say Nigerians, I rest my own case too.
Let me rest my case first.
No, Nigerians, I submit my own case. I rest my case.
Make we go on another story.
No, if I don't go.
Appointment.
If I don't go.
No,
if I talk about this one.
No, they raise your voice for me.
Why not raise my voice for you?
If they follow me talk, no, they raise your voice for me.
It is my voice. I have every right to raise it to any length I want. Don't tell me not to raise my voice.
After you come on and come, they find a mentor where you go use treat your voice.
We go use waiting.
You don't get headache already.
You don't
get headache already.
You talk.
You go see.
Don't point at me.
If I point at you, what will you do?
Chuku, don't point at me. I don't want you over this pointing thing. I don't want you. No, they point me.
I'm pointing at you.
No, they point me.
Oh, you are threatening me with a sharp object.
No, they point me. I don't want you. No, they point me.
Nigerians, can you see?
Nigerians, can you see? What are you telling Nigerians to see?
The highest thing when I will do to you with this and when I point you that to slap you, but you are threatening me with a sharp object. You are threatening me with a sharp object, which can cause me grave bodily harm.
Chuku, wait till you stop now.
I say if I like, as
the
I point you.
Wait till you just stop now. Wait till you just stop now. Chukudi, hey, wait till you say the highest way you go fit take that your hand do.
I say as I point you with my hand.
The highest way you go take that your hand do. Talk am again. You say you go take and do it.
Why you dey shake?
No, I know. Na my reaction. I dey react to what you talk.
Person no fit follow you play.
Don't play. I want that slap. You must slap me on this program. If no, it's okay. If no slap me on this program, if we don't demand for trouser, so we go put like for one trouser. That whether that trouser will size us or be one size us, we go put like for that trouser.
But look,
it's okay. Wait. You go slap me.
Look two of
you go slap me. Hey!
But wait, look two of us. Which trouser go fit size two of us at the same time?
I don't want to know whether na my size or happen na your size. As long as our leg enter am, and I will see am, I will take am.
Why you dey start wetin you no fit finish?
Why
you go cut trouser between me and you?
As a matter
why
of
you go
fact.
use trouser for me and you inside one sentence?
Now you use trouser now. You use trouser. Me and you go put like for one trouser, and that trouser that time don dey reach one go put like inside am. You go slap me. The highest way you go do with that your hand.
We pledge peace, so.
No. You no pledge peace when you talk that one.
Oga Igbo don come back from Abuja. You go hear am again.
You no pledge peace when you talk that one.
Oga Igbo, good morning, sir.
Just judge this matter sincerely. No just take side. Judge that matter well. Oga Igbo, we dey hear you.
Oga Ukubi, why is it that you are running away from the truth? Why are you running away from the truth?
I am not running away from any truth, Oga Igbo. See,
no,
governance is not about taking side. Not about
Ukubi, allow am talk now.
Wait, Ukubi, make I explain something for you.
Okay.
If in your campaign, you promise or set it, you say, see, this if I enter, I go do am. And when you say when he enter for 2 months, people call the complaint, say, he promised he go declare your assets, so I never declare your assets. If for a campaign say, he go declare your assets, and he follow us.
Thank you. Restricted to him alone.
So, wait now, so when he don't enter now, people they claim or say, when this guy declare assets, so waiting now, they promise. Now the man come out, okay, see what I get to, see what I get to. The vice president take directly follow him, he take. What do we expect? You expect senators like the Saraki, the deputy, they all the governors when they say follow up, they will declare. When they declare, they will call us, okay, now, we don't declare this opposition party they rule for many years now. Okay, may they declare their own.
It's not about political party.
Allow him to finish.
It's not about
allow him to finish. Allow him to finish, please.
Wait. So if others do not declare finish, say what I get. The other parties will declare. They will not say, yeah, the transparency when they talk, say, when they promise or say, if they enter, they go do. They will cost him. Not they say, now, say, when they declare now they hide force, now, say, I not get to. The time they say, when you never get an empty, in the start, he go say, declare. Why did they run now? You go ask yourself, why they run now? As suppose you go tell them, say, maybe they use this media now, you go tell your people, say, see, declare your absence so that many opposition parties say, see what we get suit now, you go to them. No more than you day against the say now you quote the constitution, but only a campaign, you don't quote the constitution. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. But I still stand on what I will talk. I still stand on what I talk. Say, if they want the class, don't restrict that to one political party. Now good governance they seek for. And not ever make the mistake of telling them say, they want me on this program. Don't they say the time say they want me on this program. Enter to the next story.
Make we talk about ministerial appointments. At least you don't already agree, say, make them lead by example. Make them know they come and tell us, say, they don't want to declare the assets, say, constitution don't agree them, and then they promise us change. Okay. Ministerial appointments, make we see the people when we say, information come and talk, say, they go visit DSS.
Yeah, DSS, well,
now, Oga President don't promise us, say, now technocrats, people when we say they sabi the work well. Now I mean go put for that kind of position. And from the names when we see, we see say these people, they are professionals indeed. For example, Professor Pat.
Wait. If they mention now, okay, now some of this way they don't submit.
Some of the people we don't go screening.
We don't go screening.
For DSS office.
Beautiful. They talk, I didn't hear you.
Which one be they talk?
No. You mentioned one name where excite me talk.
Which name excite you? So it means all these other people when they this list now, they don't be.
No, I never hear others. Now just one you mention now, and that they are happy with the one who are here. No, until you mention the rest, I will say, okay, yes, beautiful, awesome, splendid. Okay. I will use all those.
Professor Patrick Okedinachi Utomi, frontline economist. People they talk say based on the way when the team be like say they go give am the mandate to use the plan and restructure our economy when it be like say if they go the wrong direction. What do you think of that kind
of? What again I go think? These are people who know say yes. From even without them being in government, we don't see things where they don't. They are experts when it comes to this thing, and it can be seen that people who also preach for good governance, who they also preach for at least transparency in governance. The way they also preach, make sure say yes, at least government make they see light for government. If these kind of people feel take over positions like this, then I think somebody like Oga Muhammadu Buhari to say, okay, I want this job. Then you go say action go follow suit. I mean, that's the kind of thing we want.
So you dey happy now? Say
are they happy now? Why not they happy?
Say those governors there when we say for May, they first go visit Oga President.
No, leave those governors.
Excuse me, let me talk about it. No. I must talk about the governors.
No. I know Chukwudi, may I talk now? I know the kind of things will take place there. I know it's in a compensational visit.
In the constitution, say make governors go visit Oga President. They suggest say they may give a name for people.
If you know they at least the governors get every right to say they won't go visit.
Which right they get?
No. As governors, as them be the
to go visit them to give them names.
No. To go visit, but giving our names now I not go to.
Oh, so you don't agree now?
But we know the secrets where they behind.
So you don't agree now? Say the kind of example when Oga President they set, even though you know they for constitution, make everybody they follow am abi. Constitution,
listen, make you hear me. No just say you fit see me catch, na lie. See, waiting constitution they talk say.
I don't catch already.
Oga moment.
See, as I see you now, I dey look bushmeat. I don't put you for tight corner. You must answer this question. No. I will answer the question.
See, Oga Muhammadu Buhari believe in get your own philosophy. And now part of those philosophy, they take work now. But then, constitution, where if you say yes, constitution can also do on ground. If that constitution we talk about, no give an entire room for the kind of action where Oga Muhammadu Buhari they show. No can give room for others to also say, make we go further to do based on what Oga Muhammadu Buhari believe in. Constitution no grant, no give too much room for them. How it say go work? People go always they find corners to hide it.
Could be, but why he be say people when
No. Answer your question.
No, you don't answer the question. You just
I don't answer that.
You just go upside down. You don't answer the question.
I answer your question.
You are beating about the bush.
I'm not beating about any bush.
Okay. Why he be say people when me say they look finish say now this man I go fit move our country forward. Make we give him the mandate. They won't give him the mandate. Nigerians come collectively talk say we don't check this man in and out. We believe say this man go lead our country forward. They can't give him. He can't lead our country forward. And he already come out and say the best he want work with. Why he be say your people go still go they visit town for midnight?
Chukudi.
For midnight.
If they mention
under the cover of darkness.
Chukudi. If they mention
Nenyas. Lale.
If they mention
no cuckoo inside darkness.
No, na bali. Ni titi abali. I'll not. But may also look at Chukudi. May also tell ourselves some good truth.
Don't tell me the truth. Talk your own truth. No, they tell me let's tell ourselves the truth. As if when I talk, it not be true.
Over time, right from the time when una be take government 16 years ago, We know as now take Corona first. That time we say once Mr. Any new president don't come in, the next week they see. They anticipate say yes, now better people. That is people who no job. Now then go enter go take over. But eventually what they see? Would they see compositional appointment? People will say we probably support the political party. They'll just take this ministerial position. The same names who don't they see? Where we say we know say they know if you bring any change. Now they don't they recycle.
So Nkubi, he dey say to conclude say the people when they PDP that time when they give Oga president list. Now many of them don't cross go APC now, and they won't continue with the bad thing what they do.
Chukudi.
No, you must answer.
You are looking for a way to escape
you must
from
answer.
it, but you will not escape from it.
You must answer.
You will not escape
you
from
must
it.
Answer.
You will not escape from it.
A lot of the party members when they
you will not
APC,
escape
which party they did before?
Chukudi.
So they carry the badness of PDP when enter APC.
I tell you, say,
it will not work for you people.
It will not work for you people.
It will not work for you people.
Oga Mohammed Buhari
God will expose all of you.
It will start by exposing you.
It has already exposed you people.
It will start by exposing you.
Femi Falana. Is there any political party? Is there any political party?
Beautiful.
Festus or
under beautiful name.
Is there any political party?
Under beautiful name.
Wale Edu, is there any political party?
Under beautiful name. These are people we want now, Chukudi. I am happy that these people are people that will get their jobs done.
But why you be say your governors initially they
why
carry
list say when I take over power right from 16 years ago, now the same recycling thing that just they do.
But why you be say that? Why you be say that bad thing when una talk say una want change, una still want continue?
But at least we get somebody who believe in that change. We also get people who also believe in the person who believe in that change.
That person who believe in that change. That person who believe in that change. He don't need support.
The people
that person who believe in that change, he don't need support.
People who truly see the change in Oga Mohammed Buhari. Now then they do it. Now then they follow to ensure say Oga Mohammed Buhari get the job done.
Who could be for government? After you come out Oga president, come out vice president.
Forget governors
who again you go put governors? Why governors when they list?
Forget governors who carry list go. In the end, it's a good thing say Oga Mohammed Buhari give them they can't answer what they want, and still it might never change. It might never see change on what he want to.
As Nigerians, all of us they believe, they hope say as Oga president don't talk say now the people when they qualified. Now him go work with, then them him go work with so that they go move this our country forward. We will discuss security matter because security issue also they very very important. We hear the sad one.
Where they calm your voice down.
Because it's a very important issue.
Okay.
People won't get military. People won't get military background.
They try calm me down, man. Make a day rub mine with you. I for just say such not
you know they ever rub mine with me. Those of us won't get military background.
Those of us will get.
We know say when it comes to discuss security matter, you get when we go to control our voice, and that's what I'm doing. Okay. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah. So you want to take control of this one.
We don't hear say Boko Haram Jaguda people. They don't begin they surrender. Sake of say heat don't begin they plenty for their bomb. They don't they hand over to our. They don't they surrender to our president, our soldier people. And many of the talk when they talk now say confusion. Don't they inside their midst for their various camps. Say many of them don't they run they come out. But we get one advice when we go give our soldier people them. Say based on only me get the advice because
talk what you want talk.
You don't get military
talk
background.
What you want talk.
Based on the military background when I get and what I know from command when I go do lesson for there, it's very very important. Say make we dey very very mindful, make we dey very very careful, make we dey very very watchful because some of these people we know say they lose already sake of say many of them when they claim territories before when we get Haramistan we don't collect them from them. Many of them don't get where to hide now. Some of them say okay now to just say we don't surrender, but they're supposed to radicalize these people so that in truth we go know say they don't true surrender. And what our army they do now. Now the good work when we say Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan do, now they don't they consolidate upon, and I congratulate them and I say kudos. You know if you get anything to talk because you don't get military background. None of us don't get military background. I don't start the talk, I don't finish it. The only thing we contribute now, go on, finish.
I go for your hand.
Contribute.
So yes, Chukudi don't talk with if he talk.
Thank you. Who could be why you use my name first? Chukudi don't talk with if he talk. Meaning say now from where I stop now you want to take over from. You cannot.
I don't say Chukudi don't talk.
I have a military background.
Hold on, John. Okay. I don't say Chukudi don't talk everything.
You must talk with different from what I don't talk. Else I go owe you. If you talk with I talk, you go say what I owe you.
I feel twist straight. No be. Maybe get your own English and your own time we take talk the talk.
But now talk. Now my talk.
No. If it brings say change, I feel see transparency. If you say make we expose, I feel say okay, make we unbutton.
Why don't they find waiting go talk to use escape?
So, but I
will still go back to this. When we go this break, come back.
I will still go back to this issue.
Discussion as it ought.
We are not going to any issue. I want to talk. It always go break. You don't want me to talk.
Okay, hold the break now.
We'll go for this break.
Yeah. Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Una know say every weekday from 10 go reach 11 not on Christmas. Sake of say all the issue where they come on smoke inside Nigerian politic arrangement. Now here we dey discuss am and we dey give you opportunity to call to chook mouth for the matter, talk am the way when the team be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. But we get special apology today. Our network, our lines, they're very, very jammed because they talk say the kind calls when they enter, the team plenty today. Now why we say whenever they take any calls, our technical and engineers them, they try to do what they do to ensure say when it reach time to call, maybe before the show end or tomorrow, una go fit get us so that una go talk am the way when the team be una for body.
And now give us the next story. Why
which one will give you the next story? You know me and you there. You know do story. I know do story. When you forget your, you go tell me say make I give story. Now you know say I dey important.
No, wait.
No, you know say I dey important.
Forget story.
Make we leave am. No talk your story.
Okay, yes, the next story we want to talk about that the visit to Oga Mohamed Buhari one visit one carry like visit France. We know say yes, France now at least now country where they very strong and apart from the fact that they developed first world country as they take describe them. At least this visit got will establish a very good relationship between the two countries where we that part of it to that speed. We also know say yes, even during the time where we get issues with Boko Haram seriously under the past administration, we know say yes, even France they among the people where they even come say, hey, make we help now, make we know as we will take assist now to at least to take make sure so we get rid of these Jaguda people. But this visit, I know say at least this visit now for economic reason. This visit we say yes, we go bring growth and at least we go make our economy much more stronger than Oga Muhammadu Buhari they visit.
Very true. To emphasize on that one, the top person of Oga Muhammadu Buhari, Shehu Garuba, come and talk say this visit now essentially to fit perfect issue when concern defense. That is how we go fit dey protect our country, security, how all of us go fit sleep for inside this country for night with our two eyes closed, and trade and investment. That is how we go dey do business between Nigeria and France inside this country, other countries of the world, so that our country go dey move forward. And they talk say Oga Presido go meet with Nigerian and French entrepreneurs, that is business people for France, saying go for the MEDEF, and that MEDEF now one ogbonge center where we say anything we get to do with economics, finance, business, now for there they discuss am. And we dey very, very happy say our Oga Presido they receive invitation. Not be saying they call say I won't come, I beg una get space. Now then they invite them. This one mean say okay, these countries them they don't begin to take Nigeria serious. They don't say okay, we get leader now when we say from the way when he don't shake him body, he won't move this country forward. Make we take advantage so that our country go good, their country go good, and the world in general go
of course,
good.
that is the best way to at least make countries good, because we know say very well say we as a country we no fit stand alone. At least we will get the support of other African brothers, and also extend that same reach out to other countries so we know say we even better way better pass us in a way.
Very true.
Because now when we start they do trade, at least they rub minds with them, you go say the issue of people to come invest into the country or country, at least we'll get relationships, very strong relationship. As I talked earlier, we will help in building the economy. Now, at least one make our own name self day for the one of the top strong economic countries. I mean, now waiting with the vibe and now waiting we know say all this journey will eventually lead us to.
Very true. And I dey very happy say a lot of Nigerians don't get confidence and belief in President Muhammadu Buhari, because whether we like him or not, from 1960 till date, a lot of Nigerians don't trust government because we dey hear promise, we know they see action. And as we don't get president when we say he talk say this promise when he promise, he go make sure say he fulfill the promises. We dey very, very happy. He go still make me go revisit one action when he don't do, when make my mind sweet. When I believe say Owenerocha Sokorocha and Adams Oshomole suppose follow that example. The declaration of assets. Nkubi, you will not escape from this talk. I will drag you back to this talk. You must talk about this one. Declaration of assets. If our president can show example, he don't show example, give everybody. Whether you do PDP, whether you do APC, whether you do COA, whether you do this party, whether you do party. If a company don't declare asset, everybody must declare asset. And Commandant Oshomole, they don't come and tell us they don't go declare their own side.
Advise you. Because I say me and you love Nigerians so much, and we love our viewers well. I will use this video to tell you, say, okay, Chukwudi, for that same love where you get for Nigerians where they watch us right now, I want to make you at least tomorrow, today make you don't do all your calculation. Come out before Nigerians, come tell Nigerians, see waiting and waiting you get, see your assets, so that We never can tell anything might happen. If it happen, we will feel us. We will take nowhere. We will take at least block you from because you just mention asset declaration.
Wait. You say make I declare my asset. Anything wait. You want me to die very soon.
We know it now. What you get even said. You pass this shoe and this suit where they borrow where they were. Even say I say borrow. They even borrow and sell. But Chukwudi still, I still stand on my fact. I still stand on the fact. Say,
no, Nkubi, repeat yourself. Say, I
say this shoe where they glitter, where they shine like, I don't know whether now all you rub them. I'm not waiting. And this suit where you borrow, I'm just saying some of these suits where you wear, some of them you borrow. Me and you know that one. But this one on my own. This one you borrow this one. And the trouser, okay, the trouser on my own, I remember this trouser. But still, I still stand on the fact, say, the constitution.
Why you go call they talk this kind of thing for television? So I borrow. So after of everything when I wear now only the trouser, now only the trouser be my own.
No, the only this trouser, you know they wear other trousers. I know other trousers where you get. This one
what they concern this my talk now?
Except if you don't buy.
The action to
except if you don't buy this suit from the owner where they borrow you. No, but I don't see you borrow this one now.
Nkubi, I will bounce back. I will revenge. I will get my pound of flesh.
But wait, how will you? Does this thing I'm putting on look like something they borrow?
How many yard? Half yard. How many yard? Oh, you think that you get mouth? You carry handkerchief, a big scarf, so suit, and you come here, they happy. Okay, and they borrow my own. How many yard are they use so my own? You buy half yard, 325 naira, use and so suit. You supposed even get 260 suit.
For your life.
You don't they pay you, Abi?
For your life, no ever downgrade the number of materials. Why it takes so close?
Nkubi.
See, this is not how much they pay selling for market.
Nkubi, you know what?
No. Tell me something.
No.
Why would they say to half year?
Wait.
So this.
Make we end this show now. Make we start the fight. Our people in the past would always talk to Nigeria and our country. Make we fight the hungry you. Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make all of us join our hands together to move our country.
Make we join the hands together.
Allow me to end the show first.
Tomorrow will come again.
Allow me to end the show first.
Tomorrow.
Allow me to end the show first.
No.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.